Okay, I want to do a video that tells you 5 tips how to go from wantrepreneur to an actual entrepreneur. Let's do it. Alright guys, I'm sure you've already noticed that there's a cat behind me. There's usually a cat or a chihuahua in my animals, in my videos. I'm going to roll with that. Okay, how to go from wantrepreneur to entrepreneur. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 tips. Okay, first, I'm Shelly Hopkins, and this is my channel. So, if you're into making money online, affiliate marketing, online marketing, motivation, this is your channel. So do me a favor, if you're not already a subscriber, subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. And if you want to see more of this face, ring the bell, and then you know you're not going to miss a video. And if you get anything out of this video, give me a thumbs up. Okay. 5 tips. Okay. It sounds like it would be pretty easy, but just for the sake of it, let's start with number 1. Okay. Shh. Don't go telling the whole world what you got your idea, because you might have already did something or tried an MLM and have people not wanting to listen to you. Now, I'm sure you're excited. You have an idea in your head and you're ready to do it. You're ready to go for it, which is great. Great attitude to have. But until you're in it, and as they say, you have some skin in the game, I really wouldn't be telling the whole world, because they're just going to probably think that you're crazy, and that, you know, if you have already tried to start something, just think, oh, this is just some other idea or something that you got in your head. So that was number 1. Okay. Number 2 is get a business plan. If I look down like that, it's because I have my notes. I don't want to forget. Every business needs a business plan, and especially if you're going to be an entrepreneur. Now, when I first started, I did not know this, and after I did my business plan with Legendary Marketer, it was like a light bulb, boom, light bulb, and it all made sense, because then you have good stuff written out. You have your plan of what you want, your goals, how to actually succeed. Yeah. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get your very own business plan, okay? And like maybe for $7 or so, okay? But you need your business plan. It's very, very important. And this is number 2, okay? Number 3 is quit making excuses. Okay. It's easy to do. We all are guilty of this one. Even I was. Quit making excuses. And I think the most popular one is time. It's time. Sometimes it's, you know, I don't have the money. It's usually time. And that was mine until I wanted to take myself seriously. And when I had my full-time job, all my coworkers would go to lunch, I'd just stay in the office and I would work on my business. When my daughter started going to sleep at night, then I would stay up and I would work on my business. I've kind of made that a habit. I still do that to this day. And where some people can work on the weekends, it's always been really hard for me to do that because I'm a single parent. So working on the weekends can be something that other people can work on if they can do that, if they can't like work at night. And then, so that is number 3. Quit making excuses, okay? No more excuses, no more. Okay? Number 4, actually just do the work, okay? A lot of people think being an entrepreneur is actually easy. It's not. It's not easy. You have to put in your time. And usually it's a lot more time than an actual 9 to 5, especially in the beginning. In the end, you can end up making, a lot more money, but you end up spending less time. But in the beginning, you're going to spend a lot of time. I'm just being honest, okay? So you have to put in the time. You have to put in the work. You have to do your research. There's a lot that you actually have to do, and as long as you have your business plan written out and the steps you just take one step at a time. Then it actually sounds as easy as the way I'm making it sound. And then, of course, number 5, execute the plan. Execute your business plan. And as I always say, take action, because that's the hardest thing to do. Like YouTube and me, taking action was the hardest thing for me to do, because I'm like, I don't want to sit in front of a camera and talk to myself, No, people said that it would be easy for me to do because I am active, I'm not shy, but no, it's completely different than that. That did not help me at all. So, taking action can be hard, I get it, but that is the most important thing that you need to do. You need to tell yourself that you can do it, get your business plan, and actually follow it. Quit making excuses and take action. Okay. I'm going to help you do that, because I'm going to give you something that I did not have. Okay? There is a 15-day business builder challenge. It is $7. I said that a while ago. It is $7. Okay? It's like what? 2 coffees? $7, maybe even cheaper than lunch these days. $7. 15 days. You have a coach that will hold your hand, tell you exactly what you need to do, get your business plan set up, and get you on your way. And if you think that you want more learning to do after the 15 days, it's the best out there. It is awesome. I went through it, and just after the 15 days, I was like blown away. I loved the program so much that I applied to be an affiliate for it. So, just to let you know, if you do pay the $7, I'm going to get like $2 from it. That's not why I am telling you about it. I'm telling you about it to help you change your life. Seriously. So, I'm going to leave the link to that. It's the 15-day business builder challenge. And this is my #1 recommendation also, how to make money online. So it has like a little 100%, just click on it. Do me a favor, if you got anything out of this video, give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and so would the algorithm. And until my next video, see ya.